This might be the smallest workflow I shared over here, but with the most impact. It's basically how we run our automations and how we log all the errors of all the automations we run for our clients. So it's basically a two-node automation. The first one is a error trigger. You can basically find it over here. If you type error, it's basically can trigger on a error that another workflow has. And when that trigger is executed, you can do something with it. For example, right now we're adding it to Google Sheets. So let's execute the workflow. You will see that the ID of the error, the URL, the error message, the last node where the error is occurring, and the name of the workflow is being sent to Google Sheets in this instance. So basically what you do, these are all the information you get from the error. You need to add your credentials. You need to add the list or the Google Sheet you want to add it in. And then you can match it on the ID, and you basically just add all those variables to the Google Sheets. So this is the variables that come from the error, and it then will be pushed to the Google Sheet. You can also send it to Slack, for example, where you say, all right, send a message, where you add the error trigger to a message into a Slack notification so that you can get it on your phone or whatever you have the operational processes in place for your business. So if you have this set up, there's one more thing you need to do. You need to go to the workflow that you want to trigger the error on. You go to the settings over here. So you basically click on settings and error workflow over here. You can then say, all right, the error log file needs to be added to this workflow. And then you know that the filter is going to be set on the workflow you want. So that's basically it. Two-step node, but very crucial, very important, because if anything changes in your APIs, for example, you have in your workflows, you get an error, you don't want to recognize the error a week out, you want to act on it straight away. So that is how we do it. Thank you for watching.